Ironically, the hardest thing in forex trading is even what I consider to be the most easiest thing that I've understand about the markets. You see, forex trading is far beyond what anyone can imagine. The simplest part of forex trading is understanding this thing I'm about to share with you. And the earlier you understand this, the faster your journey will be to become a profitable forex trader. Being profitable in the financial market is the most easiest part of trading. One of the hardest things is how to understand the charts, how to understand support and resistance, key levels, liquidity, order blocks, things like that. Once you grab them, they stick with you, right? And the reason why the simple thing in forex trading becomes the hardest part for you is because you fail to admit these things I'm about to share with you. Forex trading is very easy if you can understand and admit the fact that the market was never designed to make you money. Yeah. Forex trading is just like casino. It was never designed to make you money. It was designed for you to lose money. So the moment you catch this thing, the better your trading game will change, right? Whenever you come onto the market makers are there waiting for you to put in your money. They want to catch your money, all right? That is the reason we see your stop loss being hunt. Not because you don't know how to trade, but because you fail to realize that the market makers are also setting trap for you. If you go on Google, check on the word inducements. Why do we have inducements on the charts? Inducements are fake signals for you and fake traps for you to get in so that the market makers can trap your stop loss. These are inducements, right? These are the reason why people lose money in the market. Ordinarily, if you are a support and resistance trader or you are a breakout and retest trader, you've been told that the moment the market breaks above a particular level, wait for a retest and go in. The market makers already knew that you are waiting for that retest. So what will they do? They'll be creating inducement for you or break out of that zone, come back and take your stop loss before going to your direction. So what you should do in that regard is to wait. That is the reason the markets always reward the patient traders. It takes money from impatient trader and give it to the patient traders. Who are the patient traders? Patient traders are those who wait for manipulations to occur. They look at the zones. Any zone that looks like a shiny object, that looks like, oh, let me go in. Wait. Cross-examine that particular zone. Market makers are there. The institutions are there to trap your stop loss and thereby go into your normal proposed direction. So the moment you understand that the market is not made to make you money, so whenever you are in a winning streak or you have a winning position running, you want to guide it properly. So whenever you are in a winning position or you have a winning trade running, you want to guide it and manage your trade, all right? And if you are not a swing trader, you don't have any business staying too long on the charts. Okay, so if you quickly understand the fact that the market was not designed to make you money, you will appreciate the little one you make. And you will not overtrade. The reason why most of you lose money in the market, you feel because the $100 came in easily, your first trade didn't take you long before it hits your TP. Then you think the second trade will do the same thing. You think the third trade will do the same thing. You don't have a daily target. You don't even know when to stop trading. You just keep trading so long as London session is still on. The New York session is coming on board. So you are always in the market. That's why you lose money. If you look at your profit, your P&L, week in, week out, you are neither making money nor losing money. You make this money, you lose it. Before Friday, you are at break even or you are even less. Your account is on drawdown. Right? So in every week, before the week opens, you want to have a plan. Approach the market with a business mentality that, okay, this week, my account balance is $20, is $100, is $500. If I can make 50%, good. If I can make 30%, good. If I can make 100%, good. Okay, that is for a week. Then your daily target. If my daily target, if I can make $50 per day, I'm good. If I can make $60 per day, I'm good. So if on a New York section, if my time zone permits me to trade both New York section and London section, right? And probably I'm on London section, all right? Then I've made $100. In that London section, trust me, I'm done for that day. That is the mentality you have. See, your first trade, your brain is very active, right? Especially in the morning, like I'm in Nigeria, I'm filming right now. This is around 10, 11 o'clock, right? This is London section, right? So my brain, my capillaries, my mindset is active, right? So if I take a trade right now and it goes well, trust me, I'm done for today, right? And if I take a trade, let's say that my first trade didn't go well, I might wait for the New York section, right? And if I wait for another New York section time and I take one good trade, if it goes well or not, I'm done for that day. So set daily target for yourself. And if my daily target was to make $1,000 and I've made the $1,000 in London section, I don't need to wait for New York section. What will I be doing? I might be studying the chart, study more, back tests, read books, improve my knowledge, and grow more, right? Because whenever you are in a trade, your emotion is on the run, right? That is the reason why you lose so much in the market. You make so much, you lose so much. You make little, you lose so much. So the market is not designed to always give you profit. So these are one of the reasons why people always find it difficult to become profitable, because they don't know what they actually want. They just want to be in the market, trade all day, all long. No. If you need to become a profitable trader in no time, it has nothing to do with your support and resistance or your strategy. To become profitable does not lie on your strategy. Strategy is the same thing, because there is no holy grail strategy. Whatever strategy that has made you money before is still capable to still make you money. So what you want to do, you want to work on your mindset. You want to work on your approach to the market. Once you're able to catch it, trust me, you're done. So apply the principle of compound effect, all right? If you are to target 100% of your account in a month, and you're able to get 10% per day, that's okay. So the principle of compound effects can help you get to that stage, all right? So you don't need to make all the 100% in a day. So whenever I come on my chart and I didn't see my setup, I'm okay. I might be looking at the market. I must wait and see the market comes to my zone before I go in, right? And whenever I'm going in, how much am I risking? How much am I targeting, right? Once I'm able to catch it, I'm done. Even if the market keeps going up, I'm okay. Once I'm able to catch my 1:2 or 1:3, I'm done, right? You don't need to catch all the move in the market. They are not meant for you. Look for what you want, get it, and go out. That is how you become profitable trader. And the principle of compound interest is what makes you become consistently profitable, right? Not becoming profitable this week, next month, next week you are down, other week you are losing, you are in a drawdown. No. If you want to remain consistent in the market, don't take random trade, all right? So learn to justify your trade. Learn to filter out bad trades, right? Not all setup are good setup, right? And learn to know your risk. I was telling one of my students, you don't even know what you're risking. Both on A+ setup and B+ setup, you are risking the same amount. That's the risk. That's a waste of pips, right? If I have a very good A+ setup playing out, I may go all in 2%, 2.5%, 3% of my account. But if I see a setup that is not A+ or B+, probably the C+ setup, then I may want to okay, let me go to just 1% or 0.5%, right? If you really want to make money in this business of forex trading, learn how to wait for proper setup and go all in. This is one of the things that I was able to discover early, and it's changed my trading style for good. That is the reason why I was able to grow a small account to a larger account. I was able to pass my Profem account, and my students are replicating the same thing, right? If you really want to learn how to trade, there's a link in the description below to join my mentorship program. And if you really want to take a trade, like you want to join my free Telegram channel, the link is in the description below, all right? So make sure you're able to like this video if you find value in it, and subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you.